In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $500 overnight. And before we get started, be aware of scammers. Do not pay anyone to trade for you. Do not buy signals. Do the work yourself and enjoy your trading. Given that forex is a very risky industry, I did encounter some losses before I finally made my first profits, and I will show you exactly how that happened. Just as you can see here on the chart, I wanted to get an area that I'm going to take my profit, which I have marked just as you can see. And that area is the liquidity where I will say this is my take profit. When price gets to that place, then I will take my profit no matter what amount it is. And then just below that, as you can see, I am marking the place that I entered in the market. This was a bullish move that I made money. And as you can see, the market that just made a clear indicator that this is the place that I'm going to enter. And guys, as you know about risk management, just as I found a place to enter, I also found a place just below the entry level where I'm going to put the stop loss. The stop loss, as you know, is that in case the market didn't go exactly as I planned it to go, then when it got to that place, I would be stopped, but then not lose all my money. But this, I was very sure that this one was a pure win. And as you can see, I am calculating the amount of money I'm going to get with pips, and you can see this is about it's 50 pips and above, give or take, given that in case I was ready to wait for the market to get there, or I exit the market just even before it got there. Then as you can see, I was not worried about anything. As you can see, 58 pips, that was more than enough because this is a clean trade for myself. And given that I've spent so much time on the markets, learning the market behaviors, I was so confident this is the area. So the thing with price is that, and no matter how much time you spend, then it can be tricky. So you can spend like 5 years or even 10 years or even 1 year or even months. And the thing is that you might actually not be able to get just something reasonable for you to trade. It's not every day that is a winning trade. And as you can see, this for the 45 minutes, I was trying to, before you do take a trade, I have to consult with other time frames, as I do not do my work based on just one time frame. I get to go to all the time frames and check if my analysis is if my strategy is going to work and everything. As you can see here, I do look at the 30 minutes and I get to hunt for liquidity stop. So the thing about liquidity is that the market has to fill this liquidities. The market is going to create liquidities, and when it creates liquidities, then you know the market is going to want to fill those liquidity hunts. So in case you do not know anything about that, just know that the market is going to create liquidities, and when it creates liquidities, it's going to want to get to those liquidities. Remember that given that price is not something physical we can see, it's something that is operated based on the buyers and the sellers. You just have to think of what you would do if you are the price. How would you react to this certain situation? And you can see, to gain my confidence, I had to go to other time frames so that I can check that. And it's not something that is, it's something that is so simple, but it's not simple that much because you are going to need to put a lot of effort so that you can be confident in whatever you're doing. And the thing is, if you trust yourself so much, then and you put in work, then you're going to see the fruits of your work. And that there's nothing so rewarding like this, that you work so much on something and then it finally comes. So as you can see, that was a very good win for myself today. And as I'm telling you that this is something that it's purely joy, and I just don't know. It's something, I mean, getting a place that you can make this. And as you can see, I was just playing around thinking, oh, I would have made money with this, I would have made money with this. But when I got my profit, that was it. So bye.